What up, guys? Welcome back to Poor Man Mods. And today we're gonna work on the Mini. We're gonna hug Brad, and we're gonna hug Brad, and we're gonna cut off the exhaust and do some stuff. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Straight pipe action. 2 tips: one in the front, one in the back, right next to each other. Brad's really bad at stuff. It takes forever to film and work on cars and meticulous as shit. Mike's gonna save the day because Brad's a little bitch baby, and then everything's gonna work out in the end, and these guys are my friends.
It's sad because this is gonna go in the video.
I know, this is the one Mike's gonna use.
Alright, so now we're underneath the car. The exhaust is really simple in this Mini. It's got 2 hangers right here with 2 bushings, and then basically the exact same thing in the back on the outsides of the muffler. So this entire center section is all gonna be one piece. Right behind, we're gonna retain this hanger. For now, we're just gonna go with like a cat resonator muffler delete. The down pipe and this little bit of pipe with the flex pipe is gonna stay stock for right now. So you can do this without a tune or anything. And the last O2 sensor's right here on the down pipe. So all of this is unmonitored and we can get rid of it, basically just for sound. So the pipe right behind this hanger is actually the perfect outer diameter size to fit inside of a 2.5 inch outer diameter pipe. So what we can do is this is about 2.3, and the inner diameter of the pipe that I got is about 2.3. They fit. It fits really nicely. Actually, I totally messed that up because that would not mean it fits nicely.
No, let's keep on going.
So anyway, we're gonna cut this right before the weld, and then the 2.5 inch pipe will fit over this pretty nicely, and then we're gonna weld that in. And then in the back, we're gonna make new hangers back there, and I got some dowel rod for that. Weld that up and weld on a tip, and it will basically just be a perfectly straight 2.5 inch pipe all the way back.
There you go, Tex.
Does the battery help?
And you could even sell that cat and get some money back.
True, I didn't think about that. Get them nice and lubed up.
Gotta spit on it.
That's not what you do.
Dude, that is what you do.
Not for a goal.
Gotta use the W.
Yeah, I would use the W.
Dude.
Because all the trouble you're having right now, you would use the W if we wouldn't have had it.
It basically fell out. Alright, so I went to a local exhaust shop and I picked up a piece of 2.5 inch outer diameter piping. It is 304 stainless. This piece is 8 feet long, but we're gonna have to cut it just a little bit. The inner diameter is about 2.3. And the outer diameter of this tip is 2.3, so it's made to fit inside. It fits in there really snug. So we'll probably gonna weld this, and then we'll cut the front, get it up there, weld on using our metal dowel, weld that on there, and then once it's done, we'll weld it up in the front. Pretty close.
Does it actually slide over?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Yep, it does. Once that's bring that up a little bit, where it's gonna be. Yeah, slides right over. All right, so we put the Bruce Jenner jack underneath of here to get it in place to set our height, and then we're gonna tack up the front. If you don't set your height properly and then tack the front, you take the risk of moving it later and breaking that weld, because what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut this to get this to sit in and recess into the bumper and only stick out as much as we want. So we also used a level It's a little bit off level right now, but we matched it with how level the car is. So we'll have to make sure that that's nice and level too when we finalize and put that piece in. All right, so we're gonna undo this V-band clamp now that it is tacked together, and then take it out of the hangers, and we can bring it down on the ground. We're gonna have to cut the rear to get the right amount of inset on the tip at the bumper. If you don't have a welder, you can clamp this stuff. It's debatable as to whether the clamping is as good, but it will work. All right, so we got the front all welded up, and we cut it to length now so that we got the right amount of inset for the exhaust tip. So the next piece is going to actually be making the hanger. All right, so we got our 2 dowel rods of rolled steel, and we're gonna make this really simple. We're just gonna make a 90-degree angle in each one of them so that they will go from the hanger, make a 90 against the side of the pipe, and then just weld the 2 sides of that. Should be straightforward and easy. Perfect.
Twisting or it's turning?
Perfect 90.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did it twist? Or is it good?
Perfect 90.
Perfect.
All right, we got her pretty much in place, so we're gonna tack these in, and then we'll weld them real nice. All right, so that's it for the install. Honestly, I think it's a little too loud for a daily. Freddie kind of was thinking the same thing, but we do like the raspiness and the pops, the backfires. So may add a resonator later, but for now it'll be good. Gotta drive it on the highway, you know, see what it sounds like, see how bad it drones and stuff. But let us know what you think in the comments, and check us out for the next video.